Hi folks, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. Today we're really proud to present this car to you. It's a Jaguar XJ8 4-litre short wheelbase automatic Sovereign. Now it's a 1999 on a V plate. However, we did purchase a private plate for it just because we thought it would suit it. It's V7 SOV. That plate we paid for, but that goes with the car. As you can see, it's in unmarked gleaming topaz metallic with oatmeal contrasting hide, and it's got the contrasting piping on the seats, as you can see there. We'll have a look at the interior again a bit better in a second. It's absolutely freezing out here today, so we've left the car running, partly keep it warm and partly to let you hear what it sounds like. It's got sunburst 16-inch alloy wheels which have all been refurbished. It's got brand new Kumho tyres all the way around fitted. It's just had a brand new genuine mud flap kit fitted to it. It's had chrome door handles fitted. It's had new chrome door mirrors fitted, a new wiper blade. This car has literally wanted for nothing. We've spent a lot of time and a lot of money on this car, just making it absolutely tip-top. Like I say, new number plates with the private plate on. As you'll see, no crack light lenses on the indicators at the front, all the lights working properly, absolutely mint chrome grille. Leaping cat fitted on the bonnet, chrome splitter there fitted in the bumper as well. We fitted one of those just to break it up again, just to make it look a little bit more special as it's a Sovereign. All the wheels are absolutely mint. We had them done in high sparkle silver, so they really do lift the car. I have taken so many photographs of this car, so you can study those at length. I've taken a picture of every single panel on the car, every single bit of the car, so you can just zoom in and have a look and see what you think. No bumper scuffs, no scratches, no chips, no dents, no corrosion whatsoever on this car. Have a look at that sill line there. This car is absolutely the very best. I can't see that you would get a better XJ8 than this. Sovereign rare car, 4-litre, the V8 engine to have. It's got full service history, this car. We've just fully serviced it. All the brakes are like new, the tyres are new, like I say, the wheels have been refurbished, the engine's been serviced. There's receipts in the service history for all the timing chains and tension has been replaced. This car has only done 29,000 miles from new. That is unbelievable. We're so fortunate and so lucky and so happy that we've managed to get a car like this in our possession. It is absolutely mint, and I mean mint. If you're looking for a car to win a show, or if you're looking for a car to have as a weekend car, or to invest in a Jaguar, because these are going up and up and up and up and up now. Mint ones are. Rubbish are still 1,500 quid, and some people are selling rubbish for 5 grand, but this car is unrepeatable. It's got the proper lambswool mats inside, as you can see. It's had a new headliner fitted in there, so that's another job less to do. The seats have all been recolonized and nourished with proper quality Jaguar hive food. All the veneers in the car are absolutely perfect. All the speakers in the car for the car stereo, because they do rattle on these are perfect. We've inspected those and listened to those. All the electric seats work, the memory seats work, the electric heated mirrors work. As you can see, all electric seats. With it being a Sovereign, we did put a full brand new Jaguar rubber mat set in there, and it's also got a full brand new, these were about 90 quid for a leather edged beige thick pile floor mats, so you've got winter and summer mats in there we've provided along with the car. It's got a brand new gear knob. I'll show you that when we get around the other side. Even got a Jaguar pen look. What a motor car. Unrepeatable is this. We put a new, brand new, like I say, no expense spared, brand new auto dimming rear view mirror on it, because the liquid crystal had gone funny like they normally do. But yeah, what a car. No corrosion on this car. I'll talk about the underside of it in a minute, because that is unbelievable. I don't think this car has ever been out in the wet or the snow, the frost, wind or blow. I just don't think it's been out in any weather. It's just too good. As you can see, we put these tailored boot mats in. The carpet's mint anyway. We're not hiding anything. The carpet's absolutely mint, but we put those in just so you don't spoil it, really. CD stacker. All works. Oh, it will do if I got the door open properly. There you go, look. Handbook set and the service history there. Now, underneath the boot, absolutely mint. Wheel, perfect. Tyre, perfect. Boot floor, just, well, you could eat your dinner off it, couldn't you? Same underneath the battery bit. I can't lift that up with one hand, but we did put a new battery on, £160 for a proper 5-year guarantee battery. Number plate surrounds, badges look perfect, electric boot release look perfect. Now look at that, aerial all the way up to the top, round the rear screen, mint, chrome round the doors, mint, no scuffs on bumpers, look. Just get around there, look, we're parked a bit close really to parking sensors. No damaged chrome, no damaged lights. Nice piece of chrome on this side as well. No damaged reflectors. It's a proper car. Spring-loaded leaping cat on the bonnet. I don't know if I mentioned that. We will look under there in a second. I'm sorry if you think I'm rushing this video. I'm not trying to do. It's just it's absolutely freezing. Minus whatever. Look at that. Where do you get, I mean, these cars are forced to run out soon, the supply of them. This came off a private person, an old guy, unfortunately deceased estate. This car, I'll just move these for sale boards out of it a second, as you can see in there. If I can even pick them up, my hands are that cold. Memory seats, veneers mint, memory settings, adjustable column, driver's seat absolutely mint, centre armrest mint, floor again mint with the new mats. Oh, that's better, a bit of warm. Whew. If we look on the trip computer, there you go, 29,328 miles. I drove this back, this car had 28 on originally. I drove this car back from Devon all the way up to North Yorkshire. Oh, I absolutely loved it. It was absolutely smooth as silk, beautiful. Cruise control on. It returned me just over 30 to the gallon coming back. This is a 2-ton car, 4-litre V8, and it returned just over 30 to the gallon on the way back. Absolutely brilliant. We put the chrome dial surrounds in just to set it off. As you can see there, we put a brand new, no expense spared, proper Jaguar walnut gear knob on it. This car benefits from ice cold air conditioning, radio CD, heated seats, air conditioning, climate control. We've been in the glove box. You can see the mirror on there, look, absolutely perfect. Headliner mint, door pockets mint, centre armrest, look, mint in there, no stains, no horribleness. It's got cruise control, it's got auto white lights, auto wipers, electric steering column, as you can see. Holds its temperature perfectly. Got half a tank of fuel in there. That's got to be worth something to somebody, especially these days. But yeah, heater, perfect. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful in here. Let's just rev it up a little bit for you so you can hear it. It's been running at about 5 or 10 minutes now. Let's have a look under the bonnet and then I'll tell you about the underneath. It's a bit of a weird light actually out here because the sun's just starting to go down. A few leaves there. As you can see, all the inner wings are mint, pipes are mint, there's no water leaks, no oil leaks. Like I say, we've serviced it. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, white feather there, look. Angels coming to see us. Right. Like I say, just to not be too repetitive, but it's had all the antifreeze checked. That's proper. It's had a new recent drive belt on it and along, like I say, with the new chains and tensioners. There's nothing to do at this car other than to put fuel in and drive. And like I say, I drove it up from Devon. I also drove it around for a week prior to bringing it into the workshop and preparing it, and it's absolutely fantastic. Like I say, brilliant on fuel, and the 4 litre, like I say, is just got that little bit more power than the 3.2, and you can feel it. It's not labouring at all, and the performance is very brisk. This is a genuine, as daft as it looks, this car is a genuine 150 mile an hour car, and 0 to 60 in like 6.5 seconds. So they're not, obviously they want nursing a little bit now, they deserve it, don't they, because of the age of the cars. But to be fair, the car is no slouch. It's a nippy old thing. But yeah, something to really cherish is this car. I can't speak more highly of it. Now, as I keep promising, the underside is second to none. I can guarantee anybody this car underneath is second to none. When I put it on the ramp, I had a look at it, checked everything like we normally do, brakes, all the bushes, everything, nothing to report with anything. Now this car underneath is, well, we was absolutely flabbergasted. We just could not believe it. It's no surface corrosion on any of the suspension arms or coil springs or anything. This car has been proper wrapped in cotton wool all its life. It's just got to have done because of the age of the car. The car has not been sat in a damp garage. It's not been outside in the weather. It's not been on the roads in the salt and the wet. I just don't know where it's been. It must have just been in a heated garage, dehumidified, or one of these sort of cocoons that people put the cars in, because the car underneath is unbelievable. So when we saw this on the ramp, it's being so clean, I thought, this has got to have some proper protection under here, so this car lasts. Because this car, I think, will outlast us all. It's that good. We ditronoled the car. We spent 2-3 days ditronoling it. We put a first coat on, put it in all the crevices and the gaps, and all on the floors and all in the chassis. Anywhere where there was like an opening or a cavity, we put it in. We let it dry. Did the same the following day. Obviously, we're on with other jobs in between, but we did that 3 days on the trot. So this has had 3 coats of ditronol. Now, ditronol doesn't go hard and then flake off and dry out like wax oil. Ditronol, it was clear as well, so we're not hiding anything. We put a clear ditronol on. It creeps into all the crevices and it doesn't dry out. Far more expensive and far superior to wax oil, but it's expensive. But this car deserved it. This car, I will be selecting the right customer for, because it needs looking after, it needs cherishing, and I'm going to be really particular more than ever to who I sell this car to, because this needs to go to a good home. It's a one-off car, and it's of a quality. I mean, our cars are high quality. You can see that from all the photographs and videos in the past that we've done. But this car is just something else. It's just absolutely beautiful, and it's probably irreplaceable, and it needs to go to a good home. Anyway, that's me a little bit on my soapbox about it. Please give us a call if you're interested in the car. You won't be disappointed. It's going to be located now and reversed back into our showroom where it's nice and warm and dry, and that's where it'll stay until somebody comes down and falls in love with it like we have. And they're going to get a fantastic car. This car is at a snip of a price at $12,995, and as I say that, I think, God, it should be another grand more, because it's just worth every penny. If it was 15 grand, it wouldn't be too dear, because it's just one of them cars that you're not going to replace again. It's the right mileage, the right colour, the right specification. It's short wheelbase rather than long wheelbase. It's a bit easier to park, a bit easier to put in your garage. It's just mint. So please get in touch. It's 07759 938 395. Don't leave it and dwell on it. If you like it, get yourself down. It won't be here for long. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon.